Hello guys, this is Moin Gazanfar. In previous lecture we study about the line, how to draw the line and what are the properties of the line. Today we are going to study about the two most important commands of AutoCAD, which is polyline and a point line. A point. Polyline, very first I will clear you what is the difference between a polyline and a line. Let's draw a line. L, enter. As you can see, I have drawn multiple lines. In the similar way, now I'm going to make a polyline. Just click PL and enter. Now you have selected the polyline command. Now click and draw multiple lines. As you can see, now I have escaped. Now you can if you select a line, please select a line. As you can see, every time when you draw, you will selecting a single line. Now I'm going towards the polyline. Select polyline once. You can see that the complete line is a single item. The complete object is a single item. It's mean the polyline draw and combine different lines together. Now you can change the color of line, like as in quick properties, change the color. Also you can change the layer type. I have selected zigzag. Also you can change the width by selecting 0.3, enter, and then select continuous. As you can see, the line is thicker now. In this way a polyline actually works. This command will help us in future projects, and I will explain you more about this command. Now I'm going to explain you. The first method was PL, enter, and at the top menu you can see in draw menu the polyline option. You can click it here to pick the polyline command, and then you can draw a polyline. As you can see, I am drawing a polyline. Press escape. Now I'm going towards the command of point. Simply press point, PO. You can see the first command which is showing my command prompt is point. Select enter. Now press enter. As you can see, this point is very small in size. You can change the properties or shape of this point. To change the properties, click DDP type and enter. Here are the different styles you can choose for your point. I'm selecting this cross and press OK. As you can see, the point is now shown. And if you want to select or draw multiple points in a single time, simply go up at your menu, click on draw, then on point, and here is a command of multiple point. Click on multiple point. Now click on multiple location. As you can see, the multiple points are drawn. Here again I'm going to tell you how to change the shape of this property. Simply press DDP type, enter. Now I'm selecting this circle and press OK. You can see the point shape has been changed. Now I am going to show you a small benefit of this point. If you please draw a line, L, enter. If you want to divide this line into equal segments, you can use the point command. Simply go at draw, go to the point. Here is option of divide. Click divide. Now select the object which you want to divide. I have selected this line. Now it is asking me enter the number of segments. So say I want to divide into 5 segments. I press 5 and press enter. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5, it has been divided into 5 segments. In this way you can easily divide your object into the segment. So guys, this is all for today. Today I have told you about the polyline and show you some properties of polylines, and then I have show you the command of point. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my video. Thanks for watching video.